Want to cancel your Tesco delivery slot? It's easy using the Tesco grocery app, available on both iOS and Android. Just head to My Account or Your Orders. You can cancel if your order status is confirmed or in progress. Remember, you can't cancel once packing has started, usually 2 to 4 hours before delivery. Canceling at least 24 hours beforehand avoids fees, but cancellations within 24 hours might incur a £10 charge unless due to Tesco's error or an app glitch. Push notifications now confirm your cancellation, keeping you informed. After canceling your delivery slot, the Tesco app allows you to rebook a new slot right away. Club Card members often receive priority access to the best available times. This rebooking is completely free if completed within 48 hours through the app. For refunds, you'll receive a full refund for canceled orders, minus any potential fees. If items were substituted or unavailable during your original order, you might receive a partial refund instead. The refund process typically takes 3 to 5 working days to complete. Make sure to cancel through the Tesco app for easy digital tracking of your request. While phone cancellations are available, they're generally slower and less efficient. Be aware that frequent cancellations are discouraged, with a limit of 5 per month per account to prevent slot hoarding.